Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up OBS Studio for recording in 2026. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. If this is your first time using OBS, the auto configuration wizard may appear. Since we're focusing on recording, choose the option that prioritizes recording and follow the recommended settings. Next, open the settings menu and go to the output section. Change the output mode if necessary, then look for the recording settings. Here you can choose the recording path, format, encoder, and quality. For the recording path, select a folder with enough free storage space. Video recordings can become large, especially when using high resolution and frame rates. Next, choose a recording format. OBS supports several formats, but the best option can depend on your editing workflow and the version of OBS you're using. If you're unsure, start with the recommended recording settings. Now go to the video section. Set the base canvas resolution according to the content you want to record, then choose the output resolution and frame rate. For many tutorials and gameplay videos, 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second is a good starting point, depending on your computer. After that, create a scene. In the Scenes panel, click the plus button and give your scene a name. Then add the sources you need, such as display capture, window capture, game capture, webcam, or other supported sources. Check the audio mixer before recording. Make sure your microphone is detected and that the audio levels are moving when you speak. If your recording system audio, make sure that source is also active.